Assalamu alaikum student. Today we are going to start a new chapter, Bill of Exchange. Bill of Exchange, this chapter contains 15 marks in board exam, 5 marks for pro forma and 5 and 10 marks for journal entries. So we have to see the journal entries of Bill of Exchange as well as we have to see the format of Bill of Exchange. In this video we are going to see the basic terms which is used in Bill of Exchange as well as the format, how to prepare a specimen of Bill of Exchange. Very first we have to see what meaning of Bill of Exchange. What is Bill of Exchange? See, Bill of Exchange is an instrument containing the orders of a business transaction between the buyer and the seller. The exact definition or the meaning of Bill of Exchange is Bill of Exchange is an instrument in writing containing an unconditional order signed by the maker directing a certain person to pay a certain sum of money only to or the order of a certain person or the bearer of the instrument. What is actually means? बिल ऑफ एक्सचेंज एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट है, इंस्ट्रूमेंट इज रिटन डॉक्यूमेंट है, an information of unconditional order. It is an order to a person. The person who makes the bill is called the maker of bill, and in that bill it is clearly mentioned who is going to pay the amount to whom. So directing a certain person to pay a certain sum of money, and it is an order within that period of time you have to pay the money to a certain person, and it's a bearer instrument. That means it is clearly written in the bill there some actual date of payment, how much amount is to be paid and to whom the amount should be paid. All the information related to transaction is written in the bill of exchange. So it's a document containing unconditional order signed by the maker as well as accepted by the whom, the person who accepts the bill. So directing a person to pay the some money, and it is bearer of the instrument. Bearer of the instrument means the person who is purchasing the bill, the person who is accepting the bill is called bearer of the instrument. So here the person who makes the bill, that person is called the maker as well as the drawer of the bill, and person who accepts the bill is called the acceptor as well as the drawee of the bill. Okay, now here some period of term is given. This period of term is given, that maturity date is given. Between that maturity date the person has to pay the amount to the particular person, and directing us to pay certain sum of money. Certain sum of money, it is clearly written that you have purchased a goods for so and so amount, so we have to pay the amount from that from the particular time, and we have to pay this amount to the person. Okay, so these information related to bill of exchange is written in a there are many types of bill of exchange. Very first is journal acceptance as well as the qualified acceptance. Under qualified acceptance various types are there. Conditional acceptance, various types are there, but we have to see the journal acceptance. Under bill of exchange we have to see parties of the contract. Very first, a person who is going to sell the goods, that is known as seller, and the person who sell the goods, he is the person who makes the bill, so that person is not called a seller. So we have to call the drawer. Drawer means the person who draws a bill. Okay, and the person who purchases the goods, who buys the goods, that buyer is called the drawee. Drawee accepts the bill. Drawer draws a bill and buyer accepts the bill. So that usually there are two parties, drawer and drawee, but in some cases there is a concept of payee. What is payee? Payee means suppose a seller has to pay amount to a certain person, so in a bill seller is specified to buyer to pay the amount to that particular person, so that is called payee. That means seller, there is a transaction between the seller and payee, and the bill exchange by whom? Buyer. Okay, तो सेलर क्या करता है, इनडायरेक्टली क्या करता है, बायर को बोलता है यू हैव टू पे द अमाउंट टू अ paying. That means the person who actual receives the amount, that person is called paying. So this is also called a endorsement of the bill. Once concept is there, endorsement, that means transfer of bill to a third party is called endorsement of bill, that is transfer of bill. Okay, now in bill of exchange there are three parties. Number one, drawer, the person who draws a bill. Okay, by drawee, the person who accepts the bill, and payee, the person who actually receives the amount. So these are the three parties involved in a bill of exchange. Okay, now see the meanings of drawer. Drawer is a person who draws or makes the bill and sign it. He is a creditor who entitled to receive the money from the debtor. For drawer, the bill is called bill receivable. Second is drawee. Drawee is a person on whom bill is drawn and he has to accept the bill. He has a debtor who has to pay amount to the creditor. For drawer, bill, the bill of exchange is called bill receivable, and for drawee, the bill is called bills payable. Bills payable. Now the third party, that is payee. Payee, that means a person to whom actually amount to be paid. See, payee is a person to whom the payments to be made. So these are the three parties in the bill of exchange. And once again I am repeating, drawer, for drawer, bill is called bill receivable, and for drawee, bill is called bills payable. So transaction is between the drawer and drawee, and we have sometime we have to pay amount to a person, that is paying. Next is importance term of bill of exchange. In that, very first is tenure. Tenure means terms, maturity date, how much period we are giving, credit period we are giving to the person. Okay? So very first tenure or tenure of the bill. That means if a transaction is done on credit basis, so how much time seller has gives to drawer, seller has gives to drawee to pay the amount. Okay, कि कितना अमाउंट, कितनी महीने का उसको टाइम मिला है, कितने महीने का उसको क्रेडिट पीरियड मिला है टू पे दी अमाउंट, दैट इज कॉल्ड टेन्योर ऑफ बिल. सपोज अ बिल इज ड्रॉन ऑन 1 जनवरी. अगर बिल बना है 1 जनवरी को, ट्रांजेक्शन इज डन ऑन 1 जनवरी, ट्रांजेक्शन इज डन ऑन 1 जनवरी एंड ट्रांजेक्शन इज डन एंड सेलर इज गिविंग द 2 months पीरियड. सेलर क्या कर रहा है, 2 months का पीरियड दे रहा है उसके लिए. सो मेच्योरिटी डेट और ड्यू डेट विल बी ऑन विच term. So the term will be, so January, after January to February, February to March, that means 2 months, that is March, at the end of March or 1st April, the buyer has to pay the amount to seller. Okay, so the maturity term is, the term is period of time which becomes a payable. The term of maybe मंथ्स और डेज, मतलब टेन्योर जो होगा मंथ्स और डेज में होगा. सेकेंड पॉइंट इज ग्रेस डेज. व्हेन वी कैलकुलेट ड्यू डेज, so we have to calculate grace days according to the government bill of exchange negotiable instrument act 1912. So we have to give a 3 days grace for the 3 days grace to the person who pay the amount. ठीक है, so grace days means extra 3 days we are giving for the payment of the bill. Okay, so these 3 days we have to add it in the bill of when we calculate a due date. We will take an example. Just now we have taken, suppose a seller sell the goods, seller A is a seller, sell goods to B, and that is B is a buyer, and A sells the goods for B for rupees 20,000 and A gives the period 2 months, and this transaction happen on 1st January. So when we calculate the due date, so from 1st January to 1st Feb, first month, second 1st Feb to 1st month 2 months, 1st Feb to 1st month 2 months, and we have to add 3 days, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, that is due date will become on 4th March. So 3 grace days is allowed by the law over the above terms bill of drawee in make to arrangement of payment, and the amount bill is known as grace days. Okay, the next important concept is, next concept we will see, if the due date falls on a public holiday. Public holiday, that means 26 January, 15th August as well as 2nd October. So the payment of bill is made on the preceding working days. यानी पहले अगर 15 अगस्त है so we will take 14 August. 26 January is there, so we will take 25th January. 2nd October is there, so we will take 1st October. If the due date हैज़ बीन डिक्लेयर बाय द एमरजेंसी हॉलीडे, अगर एमरजेंसी हॉलीडे हो गई, एमरजेंसी डिक्लेयर हो गया हॉलीडे अंडर अ कंडीशन ऑफ लॉकडाउन, as well as we can say lockout. So these are called the emergency cases. In that case we will take a date next to working days. Okay, the next concept is honor of the bill of exchange. Honoring of bill of exchange, what do you mean by the honor? That means if a bill is paid on the due date, if a drawee pays a bill amount on due date which is mentioned in the bill, so the payment of bill is called honor of bill. If the acceptor or drawee pays the amount of bill on due date is known as honoring of bill. Next concept is dishonoring of bill of exchange. If the acceptor does not payable the amount of bill to the holder of bill is known as dishonor of bill, or in easy word we can say non-payment of bill is called dishonor of bill. As we know that the bill is registered or the stamped under the negotiable instrument act, so when bill is dishonor, so law department will charges a fine. That fine is called noting charges and we have to pay that fine to the notary public. So next concept is noting charges. And what is noting charges? See, if the bill is not paid, so some procedure has to followed by the department. The some legal action will be taken by the department. So noting of dishonor is, what is noting charges? See, the noting means recording of fact of dishonor of bill exchange by the notary public. Notary public क्या करते हैं? Inquiry. It take the inquiry about what is the actual fact of dishonor of bill. After getting the fact of dishonor of bill, सारी information collect करने के बाद authenticated by the guarantee is noted by the notary public, then certifies the same. This certification is called the protest. Is called the protest. So these are the concept of noting charges. And noting charges we have to pay. Paid by whom? Drawee will pay the noting charges to notary public. But for the timing, noting charges will paid by the person who has a bill. So these are the concept of bill of exchange. Very first we have seen the maturity date, grace days, honor of bill, dishonor of bill, and noting charges of dishonor of bill. So next concept we will see how to prepare a format of bill of exchange. So see the format of bill of exchange. In that we have to format journal acceptance as well as qualified acceptance. So types of acceptance is, very first, journal acceptance. What is journal acceptance? Journal acceptance nothing but the detail which is prescribed in the bill of exchange or mentioned by the drawer. On the same information, drawee accepts the bill. That means there was no changes in bill of exchange, that is called journal acceptance. See, when the drawee accepts the draft without any charges or condition, without any charges or condition मतलब कोई changes नहीं का, it's called journal acceptance. Is also known as unconditional acceptance. Okay, the next is qualified acceptance or the conditional acceptance. Under conditional acceptance we have various types. That means drawee is not agree the information which is mentioned in the bill, on that condition, on that information, drawee is not accepts the bill, so he specify his order or his changes according, that is called qualified acceptance. Qualified acceptance includes, very first is qualified by the name, qualified by time, at time, as well as amount, as well as place. These are the qualified acceptance. See the actual meaning of qualified acceptance. When drawee accepts the will with a certain qualifications to order the drawer is called qualified acceptance. Okay, we will see the types of bills. Under types of bills, very first is trade bill, a bill of exchange which is drawn by the creditor on his debtor with the valuable consideration is known as trade bill. It is drawn it is a bill drawn and accepted by the genuine trade transaction. That means अगर कोई transaction हुआ है, there is a trade between a person, that means buying and selling transaction is between any person. So on that condition, on that consideration, a seller has preparing a bill on drawer or the drawee on, sorry, seller has preparing a bill on buyer or the drawee of the bill is called trade bill. Second bill is accommodation bill. What is accommodation bill? A bill of exchange which has been drawn for the mutual, that is friendly, financial accommodation of parties involved is known as accommodation bill. Such bills are drawn and acceptance without any valuable consideration. That means the bill is drawn between the friends, mutual concept, mutual understanding. It's not any conditional order. इसमें कोई conditional order नहीं होता है. So this bill is called accommodation bill. Next is inland bill. Without any consideration, next is inland bill. What is inland bill? Inland bill means transaction is between the country, within the country is called inland bill. So bill of exchange which is drawn between two parties that are located or resides in the same country. Within a country the transaction is done is called inland bill. And next bill is foreign bill. What is foreign bill? Foreign bill means a bill of exchange which is drawn between the two parties that are located in a different countries or foreign countries is called foreign bill. A bill which is drawn in one country and made payable in other country is called foreign bill. मतलब बिल बना है एक कंट्री में और पे कहीं और हो रहा है, so it's called foreign bill. So these are the types of bill of exchange. Why this information is necessary? For the true false as well as for fill ups, we need to know this information. Now see, after the types of other type is there, after date bill. What is after date bill? When transaction is done, and the due date is calculated from the date of transaction is called after date bill. After date bill is payable at a fixed period. The due date of bill is calculated from the date of drawing, that means date of transaction. As and when the transaction takes place, when we calculate the due date, so we will take the date of transaction. But the next bill is after sight bill. After sight bill means when the transaction is done, when the transaction is done and the bill is made on the drawee, and we will calculate due date with the acceptance of drawee. When bill accepted, date of acceptance, there is a difference between the after date bill and after sight bill. So after date bill and after sight bill, I hope you clear the difference between the after date bill as well as after sight bill. So after date bill क्या होता है कि जैसे ही ट्रांजैक्शन होता है उस बीच में ट्रांजैक्शन होता है और हमारा जो ड्यू डेट कैलकुलेट की जाती है, कब से की जाती है? डेट ऑफ ट्रांजैक्शन. ड्यू डेट कैलकुलेट की जाती है डेट ऑफ एक्सेप्टेंस से. नाउ अदर टाइप इज बिल्स पेएबल on demand or sight. These bills are payable immediately or the presentation of drawings. The time period is not mentioned for this. As and when the drawee need the amount, drawee get the amount, he pays the amount, or the demand side. That means drawer demands, so drawee has to pay the amount. So there are three types of, there are four, we have seen six to seven types. Very first is trade bill, accommodation bill, inland bill, foreign bill, after sight bill, after date bill, and bill payable at demand or at sight. So in that we have to see the after date bill as well as after sight bill. The concept of after date bill and after sight bill is very important while preparing format or while solving the questions. Understood? We will start how to prepare a format of bill of exchange. In that, type 1, after date bill with a journal acceptance. See, prepare a bill of exchange for the following information. In that we have question, drawer, Shankar Viloba, Gujarat, drawee, Vinayak Sompet, Pune, amount 16,000, period of bill is 3 months, date of bill is 6 September 2019 and date of acceptance is 11 September 2019. For this, for preparing a bill of exchange format, we have to prepare a rectangular box. In that very first, in the middle, we have to write a bill of exchange. Okay. And right hand side, we have to write the name and address of drawer. Here the name and address of drawer is Shankar, Vidhoba, Gujarat, and after that we have to write date of bill. Date of bill is 6 September 2019. On right hand side we have to prepare a stamp, then we have to write a amount in the box. Amount is 16,000. Now we will start, amount will be in word, will be in rupees, that is in numbers 16,000. Okay, the amount which is mentioned here. Now we will start a matter. The period of bill is 3 months. So in words we will write 3 months after date. Pay to me or my order the sum of rupees 16,000 only for the value received. Here we have to write the amount in words. Okay, so 3 months after date, 3 months period लिखना है हम लोगों को. After date bill is there, so after date pay to me. Here the payee name is not there, so we have to write pay to me. That means drawer specified pay to me or my order. If the payee name is there, so we will write pay to person's name, जो person का नाम दिया है, और his or her order. मी की जगह पे क्या लिखना है हम लोगों ने, पेई का नाम और एड्रेस. और अगर पेई का नाम और एड्रेस नहीं तो हम क्या लिखेंगे, मी और माई ऑर्डर. लेकिन अगर पेई का नाम है तो हम क्या लिखेंगे, पे टू, पेई का नाम और उसका हिज और हर ऑर्डर, द सम ऑफ रुपीज़, जो अमाउंट बोला गया है अमाउंट को वर्ड्स में लिखना है. एंड वी हैव टू राइट द फॉर द वैल्यू रिसीव्ड. देन सिग्नेचर ऑफ ड्रॉवर. ड्रॉवर का सिग्नेचर नहीं करना है आप लोगों को, नेम ऑफ ड्रॉवर लिखना है, दैट इज शंकर. ओके, राइट हैंड साइड वी हैव टू राइट टू. हम किसको पे कर रहे हैं, किसके लिए बिल बना रहे हैं, ड्रॉई. तो राइट हैंड साइड में यहाँ पे हमको टू लिखना है ड्रॉई का नाम और एड्रेस. क्या है ड्रॉई का नाम एड्रेस, विनायक, सोमवारपेट, पुणे. नाउ दिस विल सेंड टू ड्रॉई. ये बिल सेंड किया था ड्रॉई को फॉर एक्सेप्टेंस. सो व्हाट ड्रॉई विल डू, इफ ड्रॉई एक्सेप्ट्स ऑल दिस कंडीशन, सो ही विल राइट एक्सेप्टेड. सी द वर्ड एक्सेप्टेड इन double inverted comma, then signature of Vinayak and date of acceptance is written, that is 11 September 2019. So this is called journal acceptance with this condition which is given by the drawer only. Here there is a no condition or no qualified any drawing. So signature of drawer and signature of drawee is must in this journal acceptance. I hope you understood the how to prepare a format of journal acceptance. Now we will see how to prepare a format of qualified acceptance. So type 2 we will see, type 2 with the qualified acceptance. See the question is given. Now we will start a second concept or second format. We will see how second case, after side bill with a journal acceptance, or in that payee name is there. See the question. Prepare a bill of exchange from the following information. Drawer name is Dinesh RP Road, Andheri West. Drawee Mahesh, LBS Road, Mulund. And payee name is given Amit, Thane West. Okay. And amount of bill is 9,500. Period of bill is 4 months after sight. Date of bill 26th November 2019. Date of acceptance 29th November 2019. Now for preparing bill of exchange, what we have to do, we have to prepare a rectangular box in that. So see, date of acceptance is there. What information required here is drawer, drawee, payee, amount, period of bill, and date of acceptance. Now we have to write bill of exchange. Left hand side what we have to write, right hand side what we have to write, what, drawer name and address. Dinesh RP Road, Andheri West. And date of bill is 26th November 2019. Now we have to prepare right hand side stamp and amount 9,500. We will start a content 4 months after sight. Earlier what we have written after date, but here we have to write 4 months after sight, pay to. Earlier what we have written, pay to me or my order, na? So here we have to write 4 months after sight, pay to Amit, Thane West, or his order, the sum of rupees 9,500 only for the value received. Again I am repeating, we have to write 4 months after sight. Pay to, payee name is Amit Thane West, or his order, the sum of rupees 9,500 only for the value received. Now we have to write signature of what? Drawer, signature of Dinesh. We have to write the signature of Dinesh. Right hand side we have to write to drawer's name. Drawer name is Mahesh, and we have to write address to Mahesh, LBS Road, Mulund. Now acceptance, general acceptance is there, so drawee will accepted, like he written accepted, and signature of drawee, that is Mahesh, and he has written the date of acceptance, and date of acceptance is 29th November 2019. So this is the second type bill, journal acceptance after sight bill. Understood everyone? Now we will see type 3, qualified acceptance. Under qualified acceptance, as to time, that means time period. Suppose drawee is not, drawer has given a time for 4 months but 3 months, but drawee wants to extend the time limit 4 months to 3 months to 4 months, or we can say if a drawer gives 60 days period but drawee wants to take time 90 days, so he can specify his condition in the journal acceptance. See the question. Kantilal 334D Palm Height, Jogeshwari drew a bill on 10th October 2019 for rupees 63,490 for 45 days. After 45 days on Shamlal 82 Himalayas Tower, Brahmati, payable to Priyanka Satara. The bill was accepted on 13th October 2019 for 60 days. See, 45 days given by drawer Kantilal, but bill is accepted for how many days? 60 days. This is called qualified acceptance as time. Okay. Prepare a format of bill of exchange for the above detail. तो qualified acceptance समझ में आया? Drawer has given the period for 45 days, but drawee will accept the bill for how many days? 60 days. So how to prepare the format of this? See, again we have to prepare what? Rectangular box, bill of exchange. In that we will right hand side we have to write drawer's name and address. The drawer name is Kantilal, 343D Palm Height, Jogeshwari, and date of bill is 10th October 2019. Right hand side we have to write stamp and amount 63,490, and we will write contain 45 days after date. 45 days after date to Priyanka Satara. Payee name is there, Priyanka Satara. So Priyanka Satara, or her order, girl is there, so or her order, the sum of rupees. How much is the sum? 63,490 rupees, 90 only for the value received. Signature of Kantilal. Now right hand side what we have to do? Name and address of drawee to Shantilal, and B2 Himalayas Tower, Brahmati. Now when it is journal acceptance or qualified acceptance? Qualified acceptance. So how he write? He will write accepted for 60 days. So he clearly specifies condition accepted for 60 days. Under that he will write signature of his drawee, that is signature of Shantilal, and he write the date of acceptance. Date of acceptance is 13 October 2019. So this is the format of how to prepare a bill of exchange under a qualified acceptance. Fourth type is qualified acceptance as to amount. So same left hand side we have to write what? Drawer name and address. Right hand side stamp, amount 90 days after date, paid to me. Here pay is not there, so we have to write paid to me or my order, the sum of rupees so and so. So when we write the qualified acceptance, same procedure. First right hand side address, right hand side address of drawer, left hand side stamp and amount and content we have to write the name and address of drawee. When we write acceptance, so here accepted for 80,000 only, bill is drawn for 1 lakh, but drawee is accepting for 87,000 only. So when he accept a bill, so he clarifies condition, acceptance for 87,000 only, then he gives a signature and write the date of acceptance. So these are the 4 type, the qualified acceptance as to amount. So when qualified acceptance there, so we have to mention the qualified condition under a 2 parallel lines. Okay, so these are the format of bill qualified as per amount. Complete our format of bill of exchange. Under that we have seen 4 type. Very first is journal acceptance after date bill, journal acceptance after signed bill, and qualified acceptance as per amount and as time. Okay, now we will see, now you have to solve some question of how to prepare a format, and you have to write this format in your notebook, and prepare this format in your notebook of BK. We will see next lecture journal entries of bill of exchange. So very first what you have to do, you have to complete these 4 format in your notebook, complete the format, as well as I will forward some question to you. Prepare a bill of exchange. So I am giving the question here, 4 to 5 question is there, and prepare the format of 4 to 5 this question, and complete the notebook, and come and check, come and show me in your college. Okay, understood?